We've had 5 days of rain, which is kind of unusual for where I'm at, 10 to 15 centimeters. And this is my prairie sedge. It emerged. It's now June 2nd. And this is just the height and the growth on it is looking very healthy and looking really great. I was trying a little bit of this prairie sedge in a larger 5-gallon pot with some other plants to see how it did, and the other ones didn't seem to come back yet. But the prairie sedge is doing great. It's already expanding and growing to other areas of the pot. I will be able to harvest some rhizomes from this and transplant it to other locations, which is kind of what the point was for me originally. This is you can see some sand in the mix. So it's a sand and peat mix. It's a heavier, it's definitely a heavier bag than I would normally have. But that's the prairie sedge, and that's what it looks like right now. It's very fragrant. You run your hands through it, and it definitely gives off a nice sage scent. I'm hoping to plant this to some drier areas that get mowed and a couple of times a year, and that will also release a nice sage scent once it's cut. So very exciting to see. And this is what planting it in pots looks like. This was planted late last year, and it's already kind of come back this way.